मॉर्निंग वॉच इज़ ऑलवेज गुड. ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं होता. बाय द टाइम इट्स सनराइज you settle up, especially in the Gulf countries and all. Right now in Iran, so the weather is quite hot. So morning, usually wake up at 5:30, finish up the routine and get on the deck. Now the midship draft is, let me show you. This is the midship of the ship. Midship as in the middle part of the ship. The draft being 11.48. Still in fully loaded condition, only discharging some amount of cargo. So around 8 o'clock the cargo operation will again start. So when the cargo operation is stopped, that time is the best time to take the drafts, because there is no in and out movement of the cargo. तो जो है वो actual आएगा. Everybody is sleeping. About time to sunrise. See, उधर थोड़ा if you can see the sun. These are the shooters we have. ये shooter उधर cargo खींचता है. Cargo hold में से cargo खींचेगा. This thing goes inside. ये खींचेगा उससे उधर. ये दो जो आप देख रहे हैं, these two things, इससे ट्रक में they just put it. Trucks like this. Sometimes we have these trucks, sometimes directly to the conveyor belt it is connected और सीधा जाता है. So this is what we use for checking the density of the sea. This we put in the water, take out some sea water in this, and then we'll use the hygrometer. This is our hygrometer. This thing is done by our expert in the same, Deck Cadet Karamjeet Singh. He is an expert in taking densities now. So this thing is coming out to be, we just put in the water and when it floats it gives us a reading. We just little bit 034 का करेक्शन है ना इसमें, 0.003 का, 3 का 3 का करेंगे ना. So this is 1.031 ही आ रहा है यार. ये देख इधर. हाँ 034. Yeah, so it is 1.034. So now the density is, we have a correction of 3 in this, so it will be 1.031 ना, same जो उसमें आ रहा है, same. Let's go for the midship draft to the port side by the ladder. आधे घंटे में ही सनराइज हो गया. This port is a creek, you know, we have to go down in this creek and then we come to this port. 6 hours of pilotage. इधर ये सब लैंड है, बीच में पोर्ट. It's along kind of a river. Beautiful weather. आज ठीक है ना, अभी इतनी गर्मी नहीं है. The safety part first. I have my working life vest on. I'll just go down along the ladder on this port side to check the draft. Now Karam will help me with the shooting part of it because I cannot do both. See you down. सबसे टायरिंग पार्ट वॉच का is this one only. Draft. Now let's go and calculate the amount of cargo discharge. So finished with the drafts. Now we'll just go in the CCR और देखते हैं क्या cargo discharge हुआ है, कितना बचा है, what is the status. उसके बाद we'll go for breakfast, then other routine work. So now we are in the CCR and this is the software which we'll use to calculate the amount of cargo. We will just put in the draft and other parameters, तो उससे मालूम चल जाएगा कि what is the amount of cargo we have discharged or loaded in any of the condition, whatever the port is. Breakfast. Now came for a round on deck. See how this beautiful swamp. It's kind of a swamp only. Look at, have a view. Look at it. We'll just look at this is the cargo operation going on. See, the hold is almost empty now. Maybe around 3,000-4,000 left. What is happening here is the chute. This we call it the chute. The chute ये इधर से cargo खींच रहा है ऊपर. All this cargo is going all the way up over to this part. And then from here ये इधर से ऐसे ट्रक में जा रहा है, इधर से ऐसे ट्रक में जा रहा है. This is how the cargo is loaded. और the same process is going on in number 6 also. Only 2 gangs are running right now and the same process in number 6. Let's have a down with the ropes. Let's check it. They are good. Ports are always hectic. 6 on 6 off plus too much of frequent rounds we take going aft and coming back. It's around 700 meters, so about a kilometer. यार it becomes very hectic. अब होता ठीक है. हाँ अभी 6 नंबर भी चालू है. 6 नंबर में भी तो कार्गो है अभी. प्लेटफॉर्म देख लो मैं बताता हूँ कि ऑप्शन है. इसको बोलो उसको आराम. इट्स अ गुड वॉक. ब्रेकफास्ट करके एक अच्छा वॉक हो जाता है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज फिर 10 बजे फिर भूख लग जाता है. Climbing up to the forward area. Okay. This is how the ship looks forward से. ये number 1 chute is there. Let's have a the Titanic pose. ऐसा ही कुछ था जिधर टाइटैनिक का पोज दिया था. There's another ship discharging wheat in front of us. She's discharging wheat. Idhar se loaded trucks, they are going to the yard, and somewhere in the yard, somewhere over there, they're discharging and then coming back. This is the container jetty. Behind us is a container ship. So this is the container terminal. This is where they keep the containers. BIK port. There is a oil part, oil refineries and all. That side is the city. All this is oil, then dry. This is grain jetty. That side going further, that side is general cargo, bulk carrier jetty. So I have taken the draft. गर्मी बहुत है यार, हवा भी नहीं चल रही है. Difficult to work on the deck this time. और अभी तो the weather is still good. अगर हम लोग 1 महीना पहले इधर आए होते तो it would have been impossible to walk even. Forget about going up and down on the ladder and walking, checking cargo and छोड़ो बस. But no problems now. 15 minutes more, then I'll be going back to sleep and come back in the evening. जब weather अच्छा हो ना तब you don't have a problem in doing these jobs. They're not difficult, but they do require a good amount of stamina and good amount of energy. You should have the capacity to work with your own weight while working on the ships, because going up and down these ladders are not easy. plus the walk itself. In a complete 24-hour day, easily 5-6 किलोमीटर easily, कहीं नहीं गया, 5-6 किलोमीटर हो जाता है. Okay. So the time is around 12:45. I had my lunch. Now I'm going to have a short nap. Or let's see what time में नींद आता है यार. And then see you after some time. Bye bye. Time is around 5:10. I had a good sleep. Yeah, I never thought I would sleep so much. वरना नींद नहीं आता है दोपहर को. But it was a bit tiring. So I'll just freshen up, take a shower, and go back on the deck. Cargo operation is stopped. बाहर गर्मी बहुत है. Let's see what to do. That's the job. चलो. I'll just get ready and see you again. It's around 9:30. Came back to the watch. It was busy, so could not update. Bus. Could not update much. Cargo is still in process. Overloading in process. Going down to check the freshwater reading. We do have a freshwater tank, but at both the freshwater, we do have a freshwater generator. But both we have to do it on a safe side. Just took around. This is how it happens. There's a line coming in from the jetty. There's a line, the freshwater line from the boat, and they just dig a hose, put a pump with it, and then they supply us the on board. You can see it's nice actually. I don't know if you can see. This is the place. This is the launch. This is where they put the line. This thing is close to the star, and there is the pump. You have to reset.
Captain Secrets now, okay?
Captain or G officer?
No problem. Name for ship
Captain.
for signature. For paper, okay? This paper for you.
Okay.
Last
for us.
Yes, right.
I just check this reading.
Okay, sir.
Good morning. It's around 9 in the morning, and same routine followed which was yesterday. Nothing new. Now some important work is going on. We have some work in the DB tanks, so that's why I could not vlog today because I was busy with the permits, the checkups and everything. So now people are going inside the double bottom tank. There's some work of some lines and all stuff. The double bottom tank is basically the tank at the bottommost part of the ship. That is the bottommost part of the ship, and this is the bosun going down. He's going down inside the tank. क्या कह रहे हो बोसन? हाँ मैं इधर ही रहेगा. वॉकी टॉकी पे कांटेक्ट में मैं. नीचे जाके रेडियो चेक कर लेना. उनके साथ भी है, मेरे साथ भी.
सबसे नीचे जाने का क्या?
आपको स्टूल स्पेस में जाने का है. This is the manhole cover. So this is going. Already gases and everything has been checked. और इसके नीचे you see that is digging down. We'll also go to make the final checks as an officer, duty officer to watch. I'm supposed to make the final checks to whether there's one more manhole cover leading down in the portable bottom tank. कि वो tight है या नहीं है. At last I'll go. Till that time I'll be stand by here only. If there is any emergency, if they need anything, I have to make sure that I supply with that. Rest everything is good. आज weather थोड़ा ठीक है. इतना गर्मी नहीं है. गर्मी है as in, but there's still ठंडी हवा चल रहा है. Cargo discharging is in progress. Same routine, same everything. Things come up. The things are same also on ship and things are new also. Like this job. Very few cases you get a chance to do such kind of jobs other than dry dock. Dry dock may be obviously if you get a chance for dry dock, so it's a very good opportunity to look around inside what are the ships like. Double bottom tank kaisa hota hai, how the lines are going, how is everything. So that's all. Look at the weather. This is Iran. It's beautiful it is looking at. Beautiful. Beautiful. There's one more ship coming. I don't know if you can see that or not. 3 ships over there. All lined up, fully packed. Around 27 berths. And all the berths are full as of now. The job is almost done. People are out of the tank. Some reasons I could not show you inside. Cargo discharging still in progress. So this is soya bean. Loaded in bulk. Ceased discharging from this hold. Stability requirement. Only number 6 running now. Weather is good. धूप है पर इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि हवा चल रहा है. Things can be managed. There's a towing vessel coming there. There's a tow. If you would have seen the previous day, मतलब जो कल मैं शूट किया था इधर वाइल्ड ड्राफ्ट, you would have seen कि कितना नीचे था ship. And now 20% of discharging is done. Ship has gone quite up. Abhi it has to go further more around 5-6 meters. But then again come down, we'll be taking ballast. So I think this is the maximum we'll be maintaining. Maybe 2-3 plus minus. Discharging is in progress. One gang docking. The weather is hot यार. इससे सुबह ठीक था, अभी दिन में फिर से गर्मी हो गया. Let's have a shower, have some lunch, and sleep for some time. Yeah, I'll beat you.
For me to one.
Now I make 4-0.
You give me today
Yeah.
20-0.
Let's see. So this guys, he's my friend from Iran. Okay, Kazim. Now today we are going to have one good TT match.
Yes.
Okay. Last time he did beat me, but today I will beat him.
I
Score
always
0.
win.
Score 0.
Manchester
Pulkit 1 all. India wins.
Iran, ready?
Ready? You ready?
Okay, go. Let's go.
Now 1.
Yes. Yeah.
Sorry, India. Sorry. I'll wait for it. Yeah. 1-2. Yeah. 2-1.
Yes.
2-3. Service.
Yeah. Oh. One more.
3-1.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone.
17. Your service. Iran 18, India 17. India is going to win. 18-17. See the comeback. I told you I'll come back.
No comeback. No comeback.
18 on. Yes. 18-19. Iran 18, India 19.
Yes. 19.
18 game. 18 game point.
Really?
Yes. Yes. The series score 1 Iran, 3 India. Last match.
No problem. I started 4-0. Now today India little good.
So guys, see you. It was lovely playing with this man. Tomorrow again. Up for the
Okay.
series.
Thank you so much for today.
That is all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you, Jared.